We are showing off for the first time today Nintendo Labo. It's a brand new experience for Nintendo Switch where you can actually make, play, and discover using Nintendo Labo kits. What we did today is we went through and we had an experience building some Toy-Con. That's what we call the creations you make with Nintendo Labo. We started out with the RC car, did a little building of the fishing rod, and then we went in and played all the different kinds of Toy-Con that are available. People had a chance to play with the robot, the piano, the house, the motorbike, fishing. So it was really a good overall experience of what Nintendo Labo has to offer. What we wanted to do is have something that was a brand new kind of experience where it wasn't just an on-screen experience, where there was tactile sensation of actually building these kits that you can then have an experience of playing.
Why cardboard?
Well, because it's a really accessible kind of thing that people can play, that there's a lot of different ways that you can shape it and mold it, a really good way to bring this to life. The Joy-Con controllers have a lot of technology built into them. Like previous controllers from Nintendo, it detects motion and tilt, but they also have not only rumble, but HD rumble, so there's a variation in that vibrating feedback you get. And then one of the Joy-Con has an IR camera, and that's being used in some really creative ways to bring Nintendo Labo to life. Well, we showed off today the Nintendo Labo, the Garage. And in this, it's a way to put together some basic programming language, input, output type of things. You can assign different types of input with movement or buttons of the controller to different output. And what it's designed to do is to allow people to create their own kinds of Toy-Con creations. So beyond the kits that we provide them, this gives people tools to really expand and use their imaginations to come up with anything they can imagine. Nintendo Labo will be available on April 20th. The Variety Kit will be available for $69.99. The Robot Kit will be available for $79.99.